Livery, we're going to get up here at Sierra 16 aircraft coming. Lufthansa 3 Victor Heavy, go around. 3 Victor Heavy, go around, climb to me. 3 Victor Heavy, going around. So Bacon, after this affirmative, they should be getting out of your way now. 3 coming right. Victor Heavy, turn right, heading 120 for now, Lufthansa 3 Victor Heavy. Heavy, right turn, heading 120. 1031, able to start a left turn, heading 270. 270, we'll start right now, 703. 3 Victor Heavy, thank you, you're going to continue 120 on the heading up to 4,000. 4,000, heading 120, Lufthansa 3 Victor. And Metro Tower, do you want us to still climb up to 4,000? Tower, wind 3507, went through right, clear to land, Piggy.
And we're going to Charlie 21, I believe. SkyWest 3627, I can confirm it's Charlie 21.
Heavy, contact departure, see you.
Sure, have a good day, Delta 1228 Heavy.
Victor Heavy, turn a left there, and then Whiskey, cross runway 27 right. Victor, hold short of runway 3 left.
Lufthansa 3 Victor, right here is Whiskey, cross runway 27 right, Victor, and hold short of runway 03 left.
Eighty-nine-25, contact departure, see you.
Departure Delta 8925, see ya. Oh, good afternoon, Lufthansa 3 Victor Heavy, ILS, next on the vessel port, 02 right.
3 Victor Heavy, Metro Tower, wind 3408, runway 3 right, clear to land.
3 Victor Heavy, clear to land, runway 02 right.
Please. 3309er. Whiskey 5 northbound Whiskey, cross runway 27 right, Victor, hold short runway 3 left.
Right, Whiskey cross, 27 right, Victor, short of 3 left, clear wings, 286. Departure 3439, thanks. We got the visual 133 right. Africa 313, contact departure. Departure, let's go 313. 1747 Metro Tower, runway 3 right, clear to land.
8925 Metro Tower, wind 34011, RNAV to Lou, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
That's a Lou, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff, Delta United 25.
Contact departure, see ya.
Departure 465, see ya. Is the visual 3 right?
You must try runway 3 right, clear to land.
3 right, up 1590.
Contact departure, have a good one.
Okay, they're at 64.
625, contact departure.
No departures, guys, 3625. Send out the visual, just right.
587 Metro Tower, wind 2906, runway 3 right, clear to land, what's your gate?
Land 3 right, gate 75 today.
1485, taxi southbound Whiskey, Tango, Juliet 9, contact the ramp.
Tango, Juliet 9, contact ramp, up to 1485.
791, wind 30011, gust 16, runway 3 left, line up away.
Left, line of away, southwest, 3791.
Left enable, southbound Whiskey, Tango, Juliet 9, contact ramp.
Tango, Juliet 9, and ramp up to 2535.
141 Metro Tower, wind 28011, gust 16, runway 3 right, clear land, what was your gate again?
Right, clear land, Bravo 3,
310, contact departure.
American 3310, Kitty.
.3077, contact departure, see you.
Sky 3077, good day.
Left turn, Whiskey, Tango at J8, contact the ramp, good day.
Whiskey, at Whiskey and then Tango, Juliet 8, we'll call ramp, thanks, Delta 1122. Land, American 2376.
RNAV to wings, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
3 left, good takeoff, clear for
1243 Metro Tower, wind 0503, runway 3 left, line up and wait.
Line up, wait, Delta 1243.
2573, contact departure, seal.
2573.
Metro Tower, wind 30010, runway 3 left, line up and wait.
Runway 20.
Wind 316, contact departure.
So flight 316 call.
There's someone behind you. You can keep it on runway, turn left at Victor. Left turn Victor, hold short 3 left.
Thunder Victor, hold short 3 left, clear, 2022. So 2154, visual 3 right, parking at Helm Center.
4 Metro, runway 3 right, clear line.
Right, clear to land, Delta
46 RNAV, VCAS 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Cats clear for takeoff, and wait 2 left.
23 Metro, 3 left line of Boeing traffic, gonna cross downfield.
Line from White, Scott 37, 2030.
235, contact departure.
35, good day.
So, tower RNAV, best, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
3 left, RNAV best, never 5141.
Exit Whiskey 5 and Whiskey Tango, Juliet 9, call the ramp.
Whiskey Tango, Juliet 9, over to ramp there, 52 cents, good day.
Metro Tower, wind 340 at 9, RNAV to best, runway 3 left, clear for takeoff.
Best, 3 left, clear for takeoff, SkyWest 3868.
3565 Metro Tower, 340 at 9, runway 3 right, clear to land. What's your gate?
Land 3 right, to Charlie U4.
302, contact departure, we'll see you.
302.
Victor, cross runway 3 left, and then contact ground on 119.45.
3 left on Victor, then ground 1945, Sterling, 1087.
Left one able, taxi Whiskey, cross 9 left, Victor, hold short, runway 3 left.
Cross 9 left, and Victor, hold short of 3 left, brickyard, 3565. Alpha 59, Delta 15.
Roger, continue north on Whiskey, cross runway 27 right, Victor, and hold short of runway 3 left.
Whiskey, cross 27 right, and then on Victor, and hold short 3 left, Delta 15 minutes.
Contact departure.
551, good day.
Okay.
Traffic holding position at Victor, cross runway 3 left, then contact ground, point 8.
Extra cross 3 left at Victor, and holding ground, great weekend. Well done.
West 3227, contact departure.
Southwest 3227. Sierra 1525.
Contact departure, see it.
Departure Delta 2014, we'll see it.
Metro Tower, wind 3007, RNAV to Lou, runway 3 left, before takeoff.
Takeoff 3 left, RNAV to Lou at the SkyWest 36.
61207, contact departure.
Departure, French flight 2007. 2686. Sterling 2022, visual 3 right.
Sterling 2022, Metro Tower, wind 36010, runway 3 right, clear to land.
3 right, Sterling 2022.
3351 traffic will hold in position at Victor Cross, runway 3 left, then contact ground, point 8.
Victor Cross 3 left, ground point 8, runway 3351, take care.
Contact departure, we'll see you.
Hey, SkyWest 3889.
We're parallel to 737, same altitude.
Yeah, we have anything there, visual for
3791, kind parts, we'll see you.
Yes, Southwest 3791.
69, RNAV to left, runway 3 left, stay 4 takeoff. Heavy, would you like to go north or south?
Please, Delta 87 Heavy.
Left turn Whiskey Tango, J9 ramp.
Turn Whiskey Tango, J9 ramp, Delta 87 Heavy.
Turn right on Foxtrot and contact the ramp on 130.8.
Lufthansa 3 Victor, cross runway 03 left, then right on Foxtrot and contact the ramp on 130.8.